In this video, you will learn how to upload a file into a folder. Now, I have already created 6 folders one folder respective for your class. So, if you are in grade 3A, you need to select the folder grade 3A. How to select the folder? You just click on this grade 3A and the folder will open in front of you. So this is the folder grade 3A. If you are in grade 3B, so you will click on grade 3B. If you are in grade 3D, you will click on grade 3D. So based on your section, you will click on that particular folder. Do not click on any other folder other than your class and section. Why? Because you will lose mark for that. Now once you have opened your desired folder in which you want to upload the picture, then you will click on the new button. Select the option file upload, and then once a small window opens in front of you, yes, this is the small window that I am talking about. You will search for the file that you want to upload. Now we downloaded the cartoon image by our own name, right? So this is the cartoon image that I had downloaded. It's a JPG file, that is correct. So I will select that image and click on open button. Now once I am done that, see over here on the bottom right corner, one upload complete, and the cartoon image that I had downloaded and named it as my own name has been uploaded in your class folder. I hope this is clear for you. So the first step you need to do is, from the presentation on this slide, you will open the class folder of your own class. If you are in grade 3E, select grade 3E. If you are in grade 3F, select grade 3F. So open your own class. Once you have done it, you will click on the new button, select file upload, then select the desired file that you want to upload in the folder and click on open. Once your upload is complete, you will see your file and your name over here in the folder, and you are done. Do not delete anybody else's file.